Welcome to Class C RV. This is our Coachmen Freelander 24FS. We just got this in this morning. I'd like to walk you through it. This one is fully loaded. It's got everything on it. Outside entertainment. It's got the electric stabilizer jacks. One big full wall slide out in here. Walk around queen bed. I'll show you this outside TV. It's a really good setup with a sound bar. This links to your phone, so you have Bluetooth. It also plays from the DVD player inside, so we have an outside entertainment on this one. Underneath our nice big LED lit awning. Really nice coach. It's got the air ride suspension on it, keyless entry, side cameras. So when you turn your blinker on, it will show you the side over here, so you're not going to run over that little Honda Civic that's in your blind spot. Fully loaded coach. We're really excited to have the Coachmen. Let's head on inside and I'll go through this with you. So this is by far our most popular floor plan for motorhome. It keeps it pretty short at 24 foot. We still have the big bunk up here for our kiddos and a window up there so they can get their fresh air. Two captain's chairs when you're driving. We've got another recliner down here you can sit in, and it has a seatbelt as well. Our dinette will seat 4 people. It's a U-shaped dinette and it has seatbelts for 3. So this has seatbelts for 6 people. We have a TV in here in the wall. And it once again has a sound bar. It'll flip around and go either in this bedroom or in here. And then it has another set of speakers here so you can have sound both directions. The really cool thing about this TV is it'll come out and there's a fireplace down below it, a TV and stereo, which will make this room a little bit more private for sleeping arrangements, or you can pull it in and have a lot more space to walk around. So pretty nice setup. They even gave you a fireplace down here. Now in here in the bedroom, once again, if you have that TV in, you'll have a little bit more open, but now you can pivot that TV around and be able to watch TV in your bedroom. It is on an arm, so it'll articulate. Full-size walk-around queen bed. We've got a nice bathroom in here with full shower, glass door enclosure. And my favorite part of this trailer, this motorhome, is we have a walk-in closet. As you can see, I can even go inside of here. I've got curtain rods on both sides of me for hanging clothes and a full-length mirror. There's even room underneath here for your shoes and some pull-out drawers for your clothes. Really nice big closet. Really hard to find this in a little tiny 24-foot motorhome. So this is a great floor plan for a couple. It also works really good if you have up to 4 kids, because they're sleeping for another 4 people as well. We have a full oven in it. It's not just a cooktop microwave. They use double latches in all theirs, so they're really hard to pull. They're magnetic. They're not the cheap latches that will open up on you while you're going down the road. So it's a really nice, well-built motorhome by Coachmen. And we're really happy to have them here with us. Once again, it's fully loaded, has a generator, has the electric stabilizer jacks, outside TV, fireplace. Thanks for your time.